Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Craft Collection Ideas. So guys, today we are looking at some amazing mirror craft ideas that can completely change the look of your home. A simple mirror is useful, but when you decorate it with creative materials, it becomes a beautiful piece of wall art. In this video, you will see many different mirror decoration ideas. Some mirrors have floral designs, some use shells, some use beads, and others have modern geometric patterns. Every design shows that creativity has no limits. One of the best things about mirror craft is that you do not always need expensive material. Many beautiful decorations can be made by reusing old or leftover items such as cardboard, wooden stick, shell, button, beads, artificial flowers, rope, foam, sheets, pearls, and decorative stone. With a little imagination, simple material can become elegant home decor. Mirror craft are perfect for many places in your home. You can decorate your living room, bedroom, hallway, entrance, dressing area, or even your office. A creative mirror frame makes any wall look more attractive and stylish. Some people love modern and minimal designs, others prefer colorful floral style or luxury inspired decorations. The great thing about mirror craft is that you can create a design that matches your own taste and your home decor. Handmade mirror decorations are also wonderful gift ideas. They are perfect for birthday, wedding, anniversaries, housewarming parties, Mother's Day, or festival celebration. A handmade gift always feels more personal because it is made with care and creativity. Creating mirror craft is not only enjoyable but also relaxing. Many people make craft as a hobby because it's helps them express their creativity and spend their free time in a positive way. If you are interested in home decoration, this idea can also inspire you to create your own unique designs. You can mix different colors, texture, and decorative materials to make something that is completely original. As you continue watching this video, notice how every mirror has its own personality. Some look elegant, some look modern, some look cute, and some look luxurious. Even though the material may be simple, the final result looks beautiful and professional. These ideas also remind us that creativity is more important than expensive supplies. Sometimes the best decorations are made from simple items that many people already have at home. Our channel is created for learning and inspiration purpose. The ideas shown in this video are meant to inspire your creativity and help you discover new way to make beautiful handmade craft. We share these collections so craft lovers, even student artists and home decor fans can find fresh inspiration for their own creative projects. Every design you see here is different and every artist has a unique style. You can use these ideas as inspiration and then add your own color pattern and decorations to create something special. If you enjoy beautiful mirror decoration ideas like these, then don't forget to save your favorite design for future inspiration. You can also share these ideas with your friend and family who love craft and home decorations. So guys, whether you are a beginner or an experienced crafter, there is always something new to learn. Every project to help improve your creativity, patience, and crafting skills. Crafts are becoming more popular every year because people enjoy making personalized decoration instead of buying expensive ready-made products. Handmade creation also add warmth and character to any space. So guys, thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. We truly hope these mirror craft ideas inspire you to create something beautiful with your own imagination. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe for more amazing craft ideas and home decoration, inspiration, recycling project, handmade decoration and creative design collection. So guys, thank you so much for watching.